Hello everyone. So yesterday was day one of not consuming or drinking H2O. I didn't even use ice yesterday, and when I tell this is the hair, it's ready to be washed. It's been in braids. That's all. Hair just been washed. I'm gonna leave this conditioner in overnight because I want to make sure it's really smells good and that it's really in there. So in the morning I will wash the conditioner out. I'm gonna show you guys how I went from this to this. It's a big difference. It's a big difference. It's a big difference. If you want to know how I achieved this, stay tuned. First things first, we're going to take our hair out of our clip. You're going to take your rat tail comb and you're going to take the smallest section that you could get, okay? You're going to make sure that your hair is really combed out. You can use these first if you want to. You're going to take and you're going to get those roots with that baby flat iron. Just pull it out, and if you have a hot comb, you could also use that, but just be careful that you don't burn your ears because these hot combs get hot real bad. And then you're going to take your flat iron. You're going to do this slowly. The slower and the smaller the parts, the better, okay? And we're just going to drag that down like so. See? And then we're going to just keep it moving. This part in small sections, and if you feel like your hair is dry in that spot, take it and hit it with your spray. This is the heat protective spray I got it from a local store. It was only $3.99 and it smells so good. So put that right as close to the roots as you can stand it, and we're just gonna go down like that. And then it's this little spot right here that I missed, so I grab that part, go back and go down again. And then you get your handy dandy comb and you just comb it through to make sure all of the kinks are out. Then we're just gonna keep going. You just keep it moving. And we're just gonna comb that. Get your flat iron, get close as possible to it, and you can break it up into smaller sections so that you can make sure that you get everything that you're trying to get. Cause see, like right here, I see a little spot at the top where I didn't get it good. So I'm gonna go back in with the flat iron and get it at the roots. Like that. And just keep on going until everything is done. My scalp is a little dry on this section. It won't that dry on the other one. Oh my God, I just melted my daggone thing. Look. I just melted the top of my thing with these. Oh, Gina. I ain't even smell it. I thought I had put the little anchor thing down, but I didn't. I'm gonna have to pick all of this stuff from out of the. It's always Marsha. 7 right, 95 degrees. We're back. Like cook crack. I tried to clean it to the best of my ability. I don't know if it's still a little bit of that plastic in there. So I'm kind of scared to put it on my hair. So we're gonna just keep it moving as fast as we can. And I'm breaking these into 2 sections so that way I don't have to do so much. Get that luster, baby girl. I'm trying to decide on if I want to bump it or just leave it straight. I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it straight and then maybe tomorrow bump it. I'm not sure. I just feel like the first day that you straighten your hair, it kind of does what it wants to do. Well, I know mine's do. Mine's do what it want to do on that first day. Like, no matter what I do to it, it just does whatever. And then after the first day, it'll start chilling out a little bit. So if the camera cuts off, I'll be back when I get to the last little part at the top to finish you off. I also feel like the smaller the parts and the slower you go down the hair, the less you have to keep going over and over it. Like, the less passes you gotta make. Like, if you just go slow and keep it real steady and tight, you don't have to keep going over it over and over and over again like that. And it looks like you can't even see for real how shiny it is. The secret to having movable hair and like movable curls and stuff, like when you flat iron your hair, is washing it till it's squeaky clean. So if you gotta wash it 3 times, you wash it 3 times, and then you don't just put plain conditioner in your hair and let it sit because your hair will be stiff. I put the conditioner on first, let it sit for a little while, and then I mix shampoo with the conditioner, and then I wash it all out together. Because if you don't, that conditioner will weigh your hair down and your curls will be stiff. And that's why you have people that be straightening their hair and doing blowouts and all of that stuff and saying they flat iron their hair and their hair be looking all stiff, and you be like, dang, it looks so stiff. It's because when they condition their hair and then they be putting a whole lot of products. With me, I don't use a lot of products. I don't even put grease on my hair. The only product I use is like the oils that are lightweight oils and stuff like that. Like, I don't use no harsh oils. You see that shine on that side? That side over there hidden. This side I gotta flat iron this part right here. This is my last piece, and then I'm gonna wrap it because it's for real legit time to go to bed. But I just had to do my hair because it's 7 p.m. Friday. No, tomorrow Friday, and I just didn't want to walk around with my hair like it was, because it was just a curly mess. I wanted to be cute. So if you like this video and you like other videos like that, if you would like me to post more hair related videos, I can do that. I just took out braids. I can insert a clip. I had some knotless braids that I had did on myself, and they were gorgeous, and I had them in since July, so you know it was time for me to take them out. So I'm gonna wrap this and I'm going to bed. And tomorrow it probably will be even more shiny and more straight. For some reason this side is not giving what the other side is giving, but it's very beautiful. Got a lot of motion in it. That's how I keep getting tangled right there. Come on, sis. But it's very loose. It's very movable. And Yes. 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 Bye, guys.